Hey, are you selling your home in Charleston, South Carolina? Well, I'm going to give you 5 tips to make sure you are ready to sell your home here in Charleston, South Carolina. Stay tuned. Number 5, why are you selling your home? Are you upsizing, downsizing? Do you need more space for work because now you're working from home? Are the children at home and they're being taught at home virtually? Are you moving to another state? There are so many things that you need to consider when you are thinking about putting your home in the market and making sure you are ready for all of these things. Number 4, do you have a plan B if it doesn't sell? Will you take it off the market and maybe rent it? Will you move anyways and just keep the home? How much time do you have to actually sell this home? Number 3, is your house ready to sell? Meaning, is it show ready? Have you decluttered and cleaned it out? Have you made the necessary repairs so that buyers don't feel that they have to walk in and make repairs? I know we're in a fast market right now, so a lot of the sellers are doing the bare minimum when it comes to making repairs and getting their home prepared. But if you want to get top dollar, I suggest that you present this home in a way that you would want to purchase it again. So are you selling it as a move-in ready home, or is this home going to be an as-is condition only? Number 2, do you have enough money to sell your home? A lot of sellers don't factor in the cost of selling a home when they are considering putting it on the market. You have to factor in the realtor fees, which could be between 5 and 6% of the sale price. You have to factor in repairs. Some of these repairs will have to be done prior to closing. Did you factor in your closing costs? Because there is buyer closing costs and then there is seller closing costs. Have you factored that in? Does the house need a little bit of staging? That's an additional cost. Have you considered maybe staging some rooms to help present the home better? One of the main things to consider also too is the equity in the home. Do you have equity in the home? Do you actually have enough equity in the home to sell it? Because you don't want to be upside down. These things are making you say, aren't they? Now, before I get to number 1, tell me, what are the things that you thought about to make sure that your home is ready to sell here in Charleston, South Carolina? Send me a message. I'd love to hear what you've experienced. And number 1, call me. That's right, call me. Because guess what? Inventory is low. I have more buyers than I have sellers. So I may already have a buyer waiting ready for your home. Give me a call and let's have a conversation about what it looks like to get your home ready and to sell your home here in Charleston, South Carolina. Well, that's all I have for you today, guys, and I really appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I put out videos like this once a week, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I drop a video. Well, definitely like this video and comment because I reply to all my comments. Well, I'm Carmilla Rena, and I am a licensed South Carolina real estate agent born and raised right here in Charleston, South Carolina. And I love bringing you helpful tips and fun facts about my home state, South Carolina. So don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help. Until next time, thank you for watching.